President Trump has signed the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. This is legislation that's main focus is to ensure access to testing for coronavirus. It also has additional support for emergency paid leave benefits and sick leave benefits. And there is a lot of language that adds clarity to mandating health coverage inside of this legislation. In short, the legislation directs that private health plans, Medicare, Medicaid, Medicare Advantage plans, and other public health plans have to cover testing for COVID-19, otherwise called coronavirus. The Act specifically directs group health plans or insurers offering either group or individual insurance to cover FDA-approved testing for COVID-19. And this coverage must come without cost sharing, without prior authorization restrictions, or without other medical management requirements. Now, the coverage must include related services as well. So if somebody goes to the emergency room for this testing or an office visit, that ancillary service or even a telehealth visit must also be covered. Now, this also applies to grandfathered plans. Those are plans that have been rolled over from year to year with some requirements that might not have to be in compliance with current law. The nice thing about this legislation is it groups grandfathered plans into the same requirements with mandated coverage as the plans that were existing right now, those group plans, those employer group plans, those individual plans, and those Medicaid and Medicare plans. Now, these rules, these coverage rules are in effect as long as the public health emergency exists. Now, there is a lot of other information inside of this legislation. Enhanced Medicaid matching funds, and we have a separate video on enhanced Medicaid matching funds. It's an increase of over 6%. And there is also more comprehensive paid sick leave, family leave benefits related to COVID-19. There's even some tax breaks for employers that are responding with these benefits. And there are grants to states to help with unemployment insurance and food assistance. And there is eligibility for this assistance as well. There is a lot packed into this one bill. The president did sign it quite quickly after it came out of the Senate's approval. We link to the full language of the legislation below so you can read through it yourself. Be sure to subscribe as more of this information changes. We're going to be coming to you with updates.